Hello, all. It's Nick with 302 Clean It. Thanks so much for joining in. The purpose of this video today is to really briefly go over the new loyalty and referral program that 302 Clean It is rolling out. So, why are we rolling out a loyalty and referral program? Well, that's a great question. To be really simple, we're a local business in Delaware, as all of you know, and at the end of the day, we get a lot of our business through referrals, through word of mouth, through, hey, do you know a good cleaner? Just like someone might find a plumber. To try to say thanks for all that, we're now rolling out a way for you to actually get rewarded for the referrals you give out. So, for example, if down at the coffee shop, Mary Beth says, I just can't find a good cleaner, or Uncle Jim's looking for a cleaner to help him clean before he's moving out, or maybe, your brother just needs a new house cleaner because the other one stopped doing it. Well, now instead of just saying, hey, I know 302 Clean It, or hey, I know a good cleaner, you can also say, hey, I know 302 Clean It. Just check out this guy, Nick, and his company. But on top of that, I can give you $25 off your first clean. What's really cool about it is when someone books with your referral link, you also get $25 off. So it's a way for you to go ahead and give a referral, which we love. Give the person you're referring some credits towards their first cleaning, and you also to get rewarded, get $25 towards your next cleaning as well whenever you refer someone to us. So really neat program. All right. So here's what we're going to hit on in the video today. Number one, what is 302 Clean It's loyalty referral program? We basically just hit on that there. You refer someone, they use your referral link, you give them $25 towards their first cleaning, and then you get $25 in credits towards your next cleaning. How do I refer friends? We'll look at that. Where can I see my credits? We'll go over that as well. How do I apply my credits? Great question. What if someone I refer books over the phone? We're going to hit on all of these things right now. Stick with us. Here we are at the 302 Clean It main page. If you navigate to 302cleanit.com, go ahead up to where it says log in and sign up. Some of you will recognize this. Go ahead and enter in your login credentials. These would be the credentials you made when you first created your account. All right, great. We just logged into our account. Here we go. This is the customer dashboard. Some of you will recognize this. This is where we see our upcoming appointments. You'll notice there's a new tab now, Earn Credits. Let's go check that out. All right, beautiful. We're now at the 302cleanit.com referrals page. We can see here, invite your friends, you'll get $25 per referral, and your friend will get $25. This is the page we want to go ahead and go to, 302cleanit.com/referrals. You'll notice here we have a couple ways that we can refer our friends. We can go ahead and invite using Gmail by logging in to Gmail. We can log in with Yahoo. We can go ahead and send an email, multiple emails. We can go ahead and enter phone numbers and send text. We can go ahead and share this referral link, this unique referral link, by Facebook, Twitter, or we can even just copy it to our dashboard. Once we scroll down here, we'll see how many referrals we've sent out before. You can see the status of them, invited, invited. You'll see the total amount of invites, total balance, such and such. We can even click go ahead and use my credits. So that would take us to a booking page there. So as you can see, you have quite a few options on how you want to go about referring your friends. But ultimately, just remember, it all comes down to this. You want to make sure your friend, family member, or whoever is signing up through your unique referral link. So basically, you just want to copy this link in some way, send it to your friend, and make sure they're pasting it into their browser. So let's take a look. We just copied this to our dashboard. Let's go ahead and paste this into our browser. Bam. Look, Nick gave you $25 for your first booking. Claim your $25 referral code. They'll be prompted to go ahead and sign up this way. We will still cover later in the video what will happen if, say, the friend you referred wants to give us a call and wants to book over the phone. Just wait, we'll get there. Okay, Nick. So my friend just booked. I got a text, I got an email saying I got 25 credits. How the heck do I go and use those credits? How do I see how many I have? Great question. Let's take a look. Actually, you're just going to go ahead and log back into your account and you'll see right at the top where it says earn credits, it'll show your balance right next to it. So, for example, if you'd referred 3 people already, this number will say 75. Don't believe me? Let's click on it and go look further. All right, you guys remember this page? Let's scroll on down. See right here? Balance. This will tell you exactly how many credits you have. We've sent out 2 total invites. In this case, no one's actually accepted our referrals yet. We've earned no credits, but we do have a balance of 25. So this is where you'll see how many credits you have earned and what your balance is. Now I know what you're thinking next. Well, alright Nick, that's all fine and dandy, but how do I actually use these credits for anything? How do I apply them to a booking? Well, that's an excellent question. Let's figure that out. So, you have 2 options, and this will depend on whether you are booking a job for the first time or you want to apply your credits to a standing booking that you already have. So let's look at the first scenario. Let's say you're booking for the first time. And we'll just scroll on down here, use my credits. It's going to go ahead and take you right to the 302CleanIt.com book now form. We'll go ahead and fill out all this good information. Click find availability. Scroll on down to where you see coupons, gift cards, referrals. Beautiful place to go ahead and get some discounts here. Coupon code, nope, no gift cards, referrals. Beautiful, look at that. We have $25. So we can enter in right now exactly what we want to apply. And you'll see the $25 discount has been applied. All right, now, if you are one of our beloved recurring customers and you want to apply these credits to one of your upcoming standing bookings, that's just as easy. Let's go ahead and navigate back to our customer dashboard by clicking up top where our name is and then clicking dashboard. Again, you'll remember you can see here whatever bookings we have on the schedule right now. Let's go ahead and click edit and reschedule for this upcoming booking. All right, I can see all my details. Everything looks beautiful, beautiful. We're going to have to go ahead and click find availability, but we've already had this scheduled. Now let's scroll down again. We'll go ahead here. Oh, look, we have $25 in referral credits we can use. Awesome. Well, let's look at the price we have right now, $135. And now let's scroll on down here and apply that $25. We applied. Scroll back up and check the price. Beautiful. The $25 was applied. We go ahead and save the changes. Booking was successfully modified. New price. All right, we're ready to rock and roll. All right, and now we just have one more point to cover, number 5. What if someone I refer books over the phone? Well, don't worry. If someone you refer decides they want to book over the phone, just let them know to mention your name when they book. So if Jane is going to use your referral, Linda, just let her know, hey Jane, say over the phone when you book that Linda sent you. Once that's done, we'll go ahead and apply the discounts, the credits on our end. We'll apply them either directly to your account or directly to your next booking. Make it super easy, super painless. Get back to doing things you love, and we'll worry about the cleaning. Thanks so much for listening. Thanks so much for sticking with us. We're looking forward to a lot of good cleanings coming up in 2023. And have a beautiful rest of your day. Goodbye.